Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I hope you are fine. I am engineer Rehanullah. My dear viewers, my previous topic is about one room estimation by central line method. Today my topic is about how to calculate weight of steel in kg per feet, kg per meter, and pound per feet. Now let's start. How to calculate weight of steel in kg per feet. Now start the method number first. This is a steel bar. The length is 1 feet and dia of bar is 4 suture. For finding the weight, this formula is used. Weight is equal to dia square divided by 52.9. My dear viewer, one thing you remember in your mind. In this formula, you don't need to convert this dia bar into any other unit, but you directly put the dia bar in this formula. 4 square, this is the dia bar divided by 52.9. The weight of steel is equal to 0.302 kg. This is the weight of steel bar in kg. Now start the second method. In this method, first of all, you need to find the volume of steel bar, which equal to 5d square divided by 4 multiplied by length. The dia bar is 4 suture and the length of bar is 1 feet. Now put the value in formula. 3.142 multiplied by 4 divided by 8 divided by 12 whole square divided by 4 multiplied by 1. My dear viewer, in this method you need to convert this suture into feet. The volume of steel bar is equal to 0.0136 cubic feet. Now find the weight of steel bar, which equal to volume of steel bar multiplied by density of steel. The density of steel in kg per cubic feet is equal to 222.32 kg per cubic foot. You remember this point in your mind. Volume of steel bar is 0.0136 multiplied by 222.32. The weight of steel is equal to 0.302 kg. Now explain the second part of this lecture. How to calculate weight of steel in kg per meter. Now start method number first. The length of the bar is 1 meter and dia bar is 12 millimeter. Formula used for finding the weight of steel bar. Weight is equal to dia square divided by 162. The dia bar is 12 square divided by 162. The weight of steel bar is equal to 0.88 kg. Now explain the second method. In this method, first of all, you need to find the volume of steel bar, which equal to 5d square divided by 4 multiplied by length of the bar. Now put the value in formula. 3.142 multiplied by 12 divided by 1000 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 meter. In this method, you need to convert this dia bar into meter, because 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. The volume of steel bar is equal to 0.000113 cubic meter. Now find the weight of steel, which equal to volume of steel bar multiplied by density of steel. The volume of steel bar is 0.000113 multiplied by 7850. This is the density of steel in kg per cubic meter. You remember this point in your mind. The weight of steel is equal to 0.88 kg. Now explain the third part of my lecture. How to calculate weight of steel in pound per feet. Let's start method number first. The length of steel bar is 1 feet and dia is 4 shooter. The weight is equal to dia square divided by 24. The dia bar is 4 shooter, post square divided by 24. The weight of steel bar is equal to 0.66 pounds. This is first method. Now explain the second method. In this method, first of all, you need to find the volume of steel bar, which equal to 5d square divided by 4 multiplied by length. 3.142 multiplied by 4 divided by 8 divided by 12 whole square divided by 4 multiplied by 1. This is the length of steel bar. In this method, you need to convert this shooter into feet, because in 1 inch is equal to 8 shooter and 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. The volume of steel bar is equal to 0.00136 cubic foot. Now find the weight of steel bar, which equal to volume of steel bar multiplied by density of steel in pound. Volume of steel bar is equal to 0.00136 multiplied by 490. This is the density of steel in pound. The weight of steel bar is equal to 0.66 pounds. Thank you so much for watching, my dear viewer. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Inshallah, see you with another video. Bye bye.